In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam cursor chat in team meetings. If you collaborate with teammates in FigJam, cursor chat is a quick and simple way to communicate without interrupting the flow of the meeting. It lets you send short messages that appear right next to your cursor, which can be especially helpful when you want to react to something on the board, point something out, or leave a brief comment in the moment. To get started, open your FigJam board and make sure your team is already in it with you. This feature works best in a live collaborative setting because other people on the board can see your cursor and the message that appears beside it. Once everyone is in the same space, you're ready to use cursor chat. Now on your keyboard, press the / key. As soon as you do that, you'll see a small chat bubble appear. This is your cursor chat input. Go ahead and type your message directly into that bubble. Keep your message short and clear, since this feature is designed for quick communication during active collaboration rather than long-form discussion. After you type your message, it will appear next to your cursor as a temporary chat bubble. That means your teammates can see the message where you are on the board, which makes it feel more immediate and contextual than sending a separate chat somewhere else. It's a great way to guide attention, leave a quick reaction, or make a short note while everyone is working together. One thing to know is that the message does not stay there permanently. If you don't click anywhere after posting it, the chat bubble will remain visible for a few seconds and then slowly fade out on its own. This is useful because it keeps the board from getting cluttered while still giving people enough time to notice what you said. If you want the message to disappear right away, simply click anywhere on the board. That will remove the cursor chat immediately. So if you've already made your point and want to keep moving, that's the fastest way to clear it. And that's all there is to it. Open your FigJam board with your team, press the / key, type your message, and let it appear beside your cursor. It's a small feature, but it can make team meetings feel smoother, faster, and more interactive when everyone is collaborating live.